Hey everyone! Today we're going to make a simple and stylish table lamp using a PVC pipe, so let's get started. So first of all, we take a PVC pipe with a diameter of 2.5 inches. Now, we mark the cutting length at around 1.5 inches. Once the marking is done, we carefully cut the pipe using a hacksaw blade. You can also use a miter machine if you want a more clean and precise cut. Alright, now we take a PVC sheet piece, which we actually made from the same pipe. Then we apply some fast glue on the pipe and stick it nicely onto the sheet. After that, we remove the extra part of the sheet using an angle grinder machine. Just a quick tip, whenever you're using machines like this, make sure to work safely and carefully. Now, once everything is nicely finished, we mark a point for the wire hole. And using a drill machine with a step bit, we make an 8mm hole. Great, now we'll keep this piece aside for a moment. Next, we take another PVC pipe with the same 5-inch diameter. And this time we cut it to a length of about 8.5 inches. Now, we take two PVC sheet pieces and mark two 5-inch circles using a rounder. After marking, we carefully cut these circles using an angle grinder. Once the circles are ready, we fix them perfectly on both sides of the pipe. And just like that, our main structure is complete. Finally, we apply a black matte spray paint to give it a clean and premium look. And after the paint dries, you can see the smooth and beautiful final finish. Now, we drill a 6mm hole using a drill machine for the magnet. Next, we take a male-female connector and fix it properly inside this hole. After that, we take a white LED light. Then, we connect it to the connector by matching the positive and negative wires correctly. Once that's done, we use the double tape already attached at the back of the LED and stick it firmly in place. Alright, now we take this pipe and remove both PVC circles from it. Next, we take a 2mm magnetic sheet piece like this. We peel off the backing paper and carefully stick it inside the pipe. Once it's properly fixed, we place the PVC circles back on both sides. Now moving forward, for the light, we take a diffuser sheet with a thickness of 1mm. You can easily find this sheet on our website. Then we mark a 5-inch diameter circle on the diffuser sheet using a rounder. After marking, we cut it carefully using an acrylic cutter. Once it's cut, take sanding paper and smooth out the edges to get a perfect round finish. Now, we place this diffuser sheet on top of the light like this. Next, we take a powerful 6mm magnet and fix it inside. And just like that, our light is completely ready. Final demo. To turn it on, we take an adapter and connect it to the light. Then, we plug the adapter into the main power supply. And there you go, the light is ready. As you can see, we can easily adjust the light using the magnet like this. It's simple, clean, and really useful. Outros add this for YouTube growth. If you liked this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas.